saying freeze. What do you mean freeze, please? I'm a human being. I can't get on the ground any further. It's impossible for me. I just like to pee. Remember you had it?
That was the man.
She's such a...
Oh, it is? It's wonderful.
Your destination is on the left.
Well, thank you there, Missy. Pretty lady. Thank you. Guiding me. Y'all better cheer the fuck up, that's all I know.